Hi everybody, my name is Dig Vijay. So I went to StarAgile Data Analytics course for a span of 5 months. I trusted StarAgile as one of my training partners. I am glad that all the modules were very comprehensively covered and gave us a good idea about how all the machine learning, deep learning algorithms work. I think that StarAgile has been of great help in terms of how they helped us with assignments and projects and guiding us towards completing the course successfully. And I would not want to forget to mention about the placement team. I think throughout the interview, they have been very cooperative and following up with recruiting partners as well as with me. I'm glad to inform everybody that I have recently been placed with one of the data analytics company in Pune. And my only advice to everybody is to be patient and put in your consistent efforts. I'm sure if I can make it, everyone can make it.